Hi, my name is Jack from Two Dead Frog, and this is the second of 5 days of text animation tutorials in After Effects. Before you start, please go to the Two Dead Frog blog and download the project that you will need to make this tutorial. It's basically a project with a controller that you use to create the animations to your text layer. The animations today is about letters that come in very quickly and break. And to do that, if you are using my project, you just need to reset the controller, like we did in the last tutorial. The other option is use a script that I created called Simple Text. It do basically the same. You select your text layer, and with one click, it creates a controller. So with this controller, you can create the animation that you want, and it will be sent to your text layer with the delay that you choose. So here I will duplicate this composition. Now I will lock this view in this composition, and I will use Simple Text to delete all the animations in this text layer. And now I can apply a new and clean animator to this text layer. The first thing that I want to do is simulate that our anchor point is in the lower left corner of the letter. It is what will give us the illusion that the letter is breaking and almost turning. And to do this, in the anchor point we will set -25 in the X and 25 in the Y. In the position parameter we will set 25 in the Y. And now, as you can see in our controller, the anchor point is in the lower left corner. So if you make a rotation here, this corner will be the X of the rotation, like this. The second step now is create a position animation, like we did in the last tutorial, but with the timing of 7 frames. So I will create a keyframe at the frame 7, and at the frame 0, I will set X to 800. Now I will apply an easy in the second keyframe using the shortcut function 9. At the frame 5, I will create a keyframe at the parameter Z rotation, and then I will create some other keyframes here like this. This one is at the frame 11, and the veil will be -40. At the frame 14, I will change the veil to 0. In the 16, I will put -5, and in the 18 I will put the veil 0. And now we must work in the velocity curves. For that I need you to open the graphic editor, select all the keyframes and hit function 9 to apply an easy to all of them. So this is the moment that we are breaking. So the rotation starts very fast, and then it breaks like this, and then it starts to fall, and it falls fast, and then we have an impact. If for a great impact, the curve must be something like this, okay? So then again it starts to turn, and it turns very fast, and at the top it starts to break again, then at the end it have another impact. Let me see if it is working in my text layer. Well, that is it. Our animation is ready to go. It's very fast and easy, and I think that is due to the controller that makes the work very easier to do. If you try to use the regular animators of After Effects, I'm pretty sure that you would be able to do this, but it wouldn't be so intuitive and so fast to do. In Two Dead Frogs blog, you can find the project with all the animations that we will learn in these tutorials, and also a written version of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye!